Good morning. Our topic is all about solving word problem involving division of fraction or any other operations. Hi, I am Angelo I. Ambat, a grade 5 math teacher in Belvedere Elementary School, Division of General Trias City. Learning Task 1. Read and solve. There are 2 and 2/3 pizzas. How many people are sharing when each has 2/3 pizza? So meron daw 2 and 2/3 pizzas. Ilang people daw ang nag-share doon kung ang bawat isa ay may tig to 2/3 na pizza. So to find the answer, we must divide 2 and 2/3 by 2/3. So 2 and 2/3 divided by 2/3. So yung 2 and 2/3 ay mixed fraction. Convert sa improper fraction is 8/3. Then yung reciprocal ng 2/3 ay 3/2. Tsaka tayo magmumultiply pagkakuha ng reciprocal ng divisor, which is 3/2. Then cancel 8, cancel 2, divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Yung dalawang 3, pwede nating i-cancel. I-divide sa sarili nila to. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Multiply the numerators. 4 times 1, 4. Multiply the denominators. 1 times 1, 1. So, ang simplify ng 4 over 1 is 4. Kasi 4 divided by 1 is 4. So, ang nag-share na people ay 4. 4 people. Number 2. A plastic bottle of mineral holds 600 milliliter of water. When it is 3/5 full, what is the capacity of the bottle? So, yung daw isang plastic bottle ng mineral ay may laman na 600 ml na tubig pag 3/5 full. Ang tanong, ano yung capacity ng bottle? So, ang tinatanong doon, ilan ang laman pag puno yung capacity? Ilan ang laman pagka puno yung bottle? So, to find the answer, we must divide 600 by 3/5. So, 600 divided by 3/5. So, yung 600, lalagyan ng denominator na 1. 600 over 1. Then, yung reciprocal ng 3/5 ay 5/3. Then, change the operation to multiplication. So, 6 over 1 times 5/3. Cancel 3, cancel 600, divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 600 divided by 3 is 200. 200 times 5, 1,000. 1 times 1, 1. So, improper yung 1,000 over 1. 1,000 divided by 1 is 1,000 ml. So, ito yung laman ng plastic bottle pagka puno siya. Learning task 2. Number 1. Daria needs 3/9 cup of flour to bake a cake. She added another 3/5 cup of flour to make it bigger. How much flour did she use? So, si Daria daw kailangan ng 3/9 cup ng harina para mag-bake ng cake. Tapos, dinagdagan niya ng another 3/5 cup of flour para mas malaki. So, gaano kadaming flour ang kanyang nagamit? So, ang operation natin dito ay addition. So, 3/9 plus 3/5. So, natatandaan nyo pa ba kung paano mag-add ng fraction? So, ang dalawang fraction na ito ay dissimilar. So, kailangan kunin natin yung LCD ng 9 at 5. Ang LCD ng 9 at 5 ay 45. Then, i-rename natin as similar fraction. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So, 15 45 is the same as 39. Iisa lang yun. Nirename lang natin. Then, yung 3/5 naman, 45 divided by 5 is 9. Then, 9 times 3 is 27. So, 27, 45 and 3/5 is the same or equal fraction. Now, we can add because the fractions are similar. Add the numerator and write the same denominator. 15 plus 27 is equal to 42. Copy the denominator, 45. So, 42, 45. Change to lowest term, divided by 3. 42 divided by 3, 14. 45 divided by 3, 15. So, our final answer is 14/15 cup. So, yun yung nagamit niyang PLAR, 14/15 cup. Learning task 3. Number 1. Mr. Romel rents a van for their yearly out of town. The van rental covers 100 kilometers only, but he travels for 110 kilometers. So, he needs to pay 250 pesos and 1/5. How much is the payment for every kilometer he exceeded? So, si Mr. Romel daw ay nag-rent ng van sa kanilang yearly out of town. Ang kino-cover daw ng van rental ay 100 kilometers only. Pero nag-travel siya ng 110 kilometers. Kaya siya nagbayad ng 250 pesos and 1/5. Ang tanong, magkano daw ang binayaran niya sa every kilometer na sumobra? So, ang una nating aalamin, ilang kilometer ang sumobra. So, kung ang van rental ay nagko-cover ng 100 kilometers at nag-travel siya ng 110 kilometers, so nag-exceed siya o sumobra siya ng 10 kilometers. So, i-divide natin yung 250 pesos and 1/5 sa 10 kilometers para malaman natin magkano ang ibinayad niya for every kilometer. So, 250 and 1/5 divided by 10. Mixed fraction yung 250 and 1/5. I-convert o i-rename natin sa improper fraction. So, 250 times 5 is 1,250 plus 1, 1,251. Then, copy the denominator which is 5. So, 1,251 fifth is the same as 250 and 1/5. Then, lagyan ng denominator na 1 ng 10. So, 10 over 1. So, 1,251 fifth divided by 10 over 1. Then, find the reciprocal of the divisor which is 10 over 1. Ang reciprocal ng 10 over 1 is 1/10. Then, multiply. Change the operation to multiplication. 1,251 fifth times 1/10. So, 1,251 times 1 is 1,251. 5 times 10 is 50. So, ang 1,251 over 50 ay improper fraction. So, we must change to a mixed fraction. So, pag change natin sa mixed fraction yun ay 25 and 1 over 50 pesos. Kung gusto nyo malaman yung saktong-sakto, pwede nating i-convert yung 1 over 50 sa decimal. Kaya lang ay ibang topic na yung pagko-convert ng fraction sa decimal. Kaya ang ating sagot ay 25 and 1 over 50 pesos. Number 2, the government needs to interview people who will be the beneficiaries of the Social Amelioration Program or yung tinatawag na SAP. They needed to interview 5 beneficiaries for 3/8 of an hour. How many minutes are needed for each beneficiary? So, ang government daw kailangan mag-interview ng people para sa beneficiary ng SAP. So, kailangan nilang mag-interview ng 5 beneficiaries for 3/8 of an hour. Ilang minuto daw ang kailangan sa interview for each beneficiary? So, ang gagawin natin, dahil minuto ang tanong, i-convert natin yung isang oras sa minuto. So, sa isang minuto ay mayroong 60 minutes. So, ang hinahanap kasi dyan, 3/8 of an hour. So, ibig sabihin, 3/8 times 1 hour. So, sa isang oras, merong 60 minutes. So, 3/8 times 60. So, yung 60, lalagyan natin ng denominator na 1. So, 3/8 times 60 over 1. Cancel 8, cancel 60, divided by 4. 8 divided by 4, 2. 60 divided by 4, 15. 3 times 15, 45. 2 times 1, 2. So, 45 halves. Ang 45 halves ay improper fraction. I-convert natin sa mixed fraction, yung improper fraction na 45 halves. So, 22 and 1/2 minutes. So, yun yung total ng minutes sa 3/8 of an hour. Then, para malaman natin kung ilang minuto sa 5 beneficiaries, i-divide natin yung 22 and a half minutes sa 5. Kasi nga 5 yung in-interview. So, syempre ang gagamitin natin doon ay yung 45 halves. Kinonvert lang natin sa mixed fraction para malaman natin gaano katagal yon. So, yung 3/8 of an hour ay 22 and a half minutes. So, convert sa improper fraction is 45 halves divided by 5 beneficiaries. So, yung 5 ay magiging 5 over 1. Then, dahil magdi-divide tayo, kukunin natin yung reciprocal ng 5 over 1. Ang reciprocal ng 5 over 1 is 1/5. Then, change the operation to multiplication. So, 45 halves times 1/5. Cancel 5, cancel 45, divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 45 divided by 5 is 9. Multiply the numerators and denominators. 9 times 1, 9. 2 times 1, 2. 9 halves. So, ang 9 halves ay improper fraction. So, change to mixed fraction. 4 and a half minutes. So, ang nagugugol na time o na minuto ng bawat beneficiary ay 4 and a half minutes. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now and God bless.